Hey guys, Tech Freckle here again. Today we're going to be finishing off the Broadway project for the Learn CSS display and positioning section. Let's get started. So in this project, you will use properties such as display and position to improve the layout of the landing page for a fictional design firm, Broadway Design. The site has some style rules to begin with. You will improve the layout and positioning of the navigation menu at the top of the page and the three supporting sections, design, develop, deploy, below the image. If you get stuck during this project or would like to see an experienced developer work through it, click Get Unstuck to see a project walkthrough video. All right, task 1. The header currently scrolls with the rest of the document. Set the position property so that it's always stuck to the top of the window when the document is scrolled. So, positions fixed. Okay, so the header has shrank. Change the width. We want it to 100. I imagine so it stretches across. Yes. Or no, so whoops, not pixels, percent. There we go. So, list items inside of the navigation section nav are currently displayed as a list. Set their display properties so they can appear next to each other horizontally so you can still set their width in the next task. So inline block. And or this one, display inline block. There we go. Okay. So set the width of the same elements to 80 pixels. Width 80 pixels. Save. Okay. After changing the position of the header element to fixed, contents of the entire site after it's shifted upwards. Set the position of main. Oops, relative. So that's done. And then now the header has disappeared behind the main. So Z index, we'll set it to 1. So it pops back. Okay. Now the navigation bar looks good, but it is blocking the title at the top of the page. Offset main. So top, 80 pixels. Boom. Okay. Now fix up the supporting element style below the image. Add a declaration to the supporting call rules. Rule set so that the elements can appear horizontally next to each other, but have defined height and width. So display inline block. Inspect the supporting column elements. They don't seem to be flowing horizontally yet because they have no set width. Set the width and height of the supporting column elements to 200 pixels. 200. Height 200. Right. And then great work. The Broadway task site looks so much better. If you want to continue coding, challenge yourself to make the footer element also fixed to the bottom of the page, regardless of scrolling. So where's the footer? It's up here, footer, and position fixed. And it's going to disappear, and I think it's underneath the top. So we're going to go bottom 0 pixels, so it's offset 0 from the bottom. There it is. And we also need to set its width to 100% so it fills up the page again. And now the main is also, I don't think you can change that because we can't offset the main, but that is how it should act then. Good. All right. We'll see you in the next section.